An Oreo snowman, an Oreo explosion, or an Oreo race and a hunt for a gold Oreo. Watch a hilarious Oreo challenge in our new video. It was a regular day. Freddie, a party animal, Laura, an Oreo fan, and Holly, a champion, were enjoying their lives until they saw this. Welcome to Oreo World! We're starting an Oreo challenge for real snackers. Whoever completes all the tasks get a lifetime supply of Oreo. Whoa! We need to participate, and here's the challenge ringing the doorbell. Yeah! A whole box of Oreos! It's mine! What's inside? These cookies are so weird! Wait, these are our tasks? The first task is to eat an Oreo in an unusual way. Consider me a winner already! Laura decides to eat it on a trampoline. Little Oreos are jumping around her. These cookies are so airy. I bet no one has ever jumped on a trampoline with Oreos. Whoa! The cookies are flying! I'll eat one right in midair. Holly didn't notice the pool while hunting for the flying Oreo, and that evil Oreo flew past her. Freddie decided not to do anything new. Tried and tested methods are the best. He'll copy a TikTok trick. Cookies on a treadmill. Come on, Freddie! Pull yourself together! You can do it! Send the Oreos right into the mouth. Oh no! A giant Oreo! This is wrong! Our new task for the challenge is to come up with an Oreo game. Laura already knows what she'll be doing. I'll need all the white filling from the Oreos. Holly is keeping up. She'll build an Oreo Jenga. This is going to be a giant tower. Laura is shaping a snowman from Oreo fillings. What a cutie! But Holly's tower is hanging over the snowman. Whoops! Oreo quake! Well, Laura, get ready. Defend yourself.
Huh?
We'll clear the air like adults. Let's have an Oreo race. Yeah! Who can run down the Oreo path and reach the precious Oreo prize faster? But we are not running. Our turtles are. Daphne and Josephine. This is gonna be a fast race. The world has never seen such a fast race before. These little paws are so passionate. Their shells are glowing from excitement. Run, Daphne, run! Go, Josephine! This is the Oreo race of the century. Oh no, our turtles are doing their own things. They are not interested in the race at all because they don't even eat Oreos. It's useless to try and convince a turtle. Josephine dropped out. Turns out Freddie is the smartest. He just took the prize. All he does is win. Hurry up, we have a new task. Let's see what's waiting for us.
Huh?
Oh no! We have to break Oreos in different ways. Fate is so cruel. An Oreo lover can't do this. Why is this happening to me? Killing Oreos is so heartless. Hey, Laura, don't worry. Look into the future. A lifetime supply of Oreo is waiting for us. And here's our party boy, Freddie. He put on his best heels for this task. Let's start crushing Oreos with heels. That's a pretty interesting way to break cookies. If Freddie can destroy Oreos, We can do it too! Laura decides to take drastic measures. Stop eating candy and start working out. And we can crush a few Oreos while we're at it. Working out is pretty hard, but it's all for the challenge. Laura crushes her favorite Oreos with workout gear. What a strong girl! Who am I kidding? I can't live without Oreos! Our champion Holly decides to go above and beyond. She'll blow up Oreos right now.
Oh!
Holly builds a cookie tower. And now Holly wants to put an explosive inside. Don't try this at home. Here comes an Oreo explosion. That was loud. There are Oreo pieces all over the place now. Laura, wake up. The new challenge task is to turn Oreos into something outstanding. This Oreo fan has a plan. I've wanted to eat Oreos with infinite filling for a long time. Take the filling out of the Oreo and put it all on one cookie. Whoa! There's a whole mountain of white filling. When there's enough icing, cover it with the other cookie. Oh, this is an Oreo masterpiece. I'll name it L'Oreo. Our party boy Freddy came up with something better, an Oreo spa. A milk pool. And a giant Oreo in it. Dip Oreos right in the milk pool. Now that's a perfect way to relax. Hurry up! We have a new task waiting for us. Look at all these Oreos. I want to live like this all the time. Calm down. First, let's see what's waiting for us in the basket. A box for everyone and a new task. Make your own Oreo filling from the ingredients you got. Easy! What do we have here? Whoa! Lemon, crab sticks with salt, and ginger with garlic. Nice selection! Everyone is working hard on their own Oreo filling. Don't cheat! Done! Now let's swap the plates. And every contestant has to eat without expressing any emotions. The bravest one will win. Oh no! It's impossible to eat this! What a disaster! It was pretty hard. But wait, there's more. There's another task. Now we have to dip a delicious Oreo in different things instead of milk. This is unbearable. Laura gets soy sauce. Holly gets cat food. Now that's unlucky. And Freddy will be eating Oreos with mustard. What a terrible combo! We survived this torture, but the final round of the challenge is waiting for us. Holly, read it! We need to find the gold Oreo. Awesome! Where will we be looking for it? Follow me! The Oreo fan's good sense of smell never lets her down. I feel that the gold Oreo is close. That way! And now let's go southwest. It smells like sugar in here. Hurry up! Let's go to the north. Here it is, the gold Oreo. My precious! Oh no, we set an Oreo trap. Everyone, save yourselves! Run! Did you like our Oreo challenge? Then comment below if you'd like to take part in this challenge. And what's something unusual you could do with Oreos? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss new Oreo challenges from Troom.